Assalamu-Alaikum, my viewers. How are you all doing today? This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. I am so excited today because I'm going to show you how we achieve this beautiful layered look, and I've got another look with the same scarf I want to show you so badly because I've had so many requests. So I'm here and very excited to show you these looks. Well, how are we doing? Are we doing okay? I hope so. Because first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, because I've had so many requests, and I'm going to say this again. I'm not a niqabi, but I've done a few niqab tutorials, and the request for the niqab tutorials is amazing. Amazing. So that makes me very proud, because it tells me there's a whole lot of sisters out there that wears a niqab. And my dear viewers, in these times that we're living in, for those sisters that are wearing the niqab, they have strength. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to protect them as niqabis, because it's very tough in these times that we live in. And may He protect all of us who are hijabis. He protect us and save us from any kind of calamities, because we are very proud hijabis, and we will continue to cover ourselves and do what's expected of us as a Muslim. I thank every one of you for being here with me. It's an encouragement for me to do the things that I do. And like I said, an encouragement that's going to have me show you another tutorial for a niqab today. So stay with me, please, as I show you the niqab, and then I'll show you how I got this look as well. It's important, so don't go anywhere. There's lots to come. Stay with me. So now I'm going to show you how I got that really beautiful look. Today, it's so much requested. I am not a niqabi, but I am really enjoying this because a whole lot of my viewers are requesting the niqab, and so it gives me a lot of pride in my heart that there's a whole lot of sisters out there who are wearing the niqab, and that is a wonderful thing for us. In these times that we're living in, to wear the niqab, it takes a lot of strength to do that. And I am so proud of each and every one of you niqabis who wears the niqab. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and continue to protect you always, because it takes a lot of strength. So here we go. Like I said, it's a beautiful, beautiful shawl. I've got my ninja on, and that's because I want full coverage. You can wear it however you want. If you want just a cap, or you don't want it, it's a pretty shawl. It does not see through at all, so you can wear it without a cap if you want to. But for me, I'm wearing the ninja to have the coverage that I'm looking for. Okay, so here we go. Let's get that look. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. The scarf is so beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a short side, and we're going to have a very long side. And I'm going to work with it that the ninja doesn't show. So we can put that up a bit more and bring that down a bit. It's supposed to be a very, very quick, doesn't take long at all. And we're going to use a safety pin here. If I can just grab my safety pin. Isn't that beautiful? The scarf is absolutely gorgeous. And now what we're going to do is grab a bit of this here, and all we're going to do is, before we do that, I'm just going to make sure that the ninja's gone, and we can just to make sure that the ninja is, I'm going to just pin it. It gives it a bit of a tuck, and it also secures the ninja from showing. I don't want the ninja showing, so I'm going to use a little pin it here. So we've got that done. It's got a nice V there. And then we're going to put 2 stick pins over here. We're going to put another one on this side, just keeping things in place. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this with a fold in it here, and I'm going to bring it across. And I'm going to fold it so that we get this nice look here. See that? I want the tassels showing. And we're going to use a stick pin here. Now that's in place. And the only reason why I've got extras, it's because I want this showing here. I'm going to put a pin there to keep that in place. That's so beautiful. Look at that. So now that we've got that in place, we're going to bring this, the other side, and what we're doing is making sure we have full coverage, because when you wear the niqab, or at every time, you should really have full coverage. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. And I'm just going to give it 1 pin here. And I'm using a stick pin. And my dear viewers, we've got this most beautiful niqab. See that? It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. You see that? You see how nice and full coverage you've got? And the fabric is so absolutely, it is a pashmina, but it is the thinner version of a pashmina. Usually in the winter you have the heavier ones, and in the summer they bring out these thinner ones. This is so thin, and it's so pretty, and look how beautiful that is. And you've got coverage, and here we are. How is that? Isn't that beautiful? And that was so quick, so quick. Well, I hope that you enjoy that, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the same scarf and wrap it as a hijab. Now, this is pretty as it is as a niqab, and we're going to show you the options of wearing it as a hijab. Okay, so I've taken off the part of the niqab, and I'm just going to wrap this shawl and show you how beautiful it is as a hijab. And all we do is we've got it still pinned here. There's no pins, except I put one here just to give you that nice look without the ninja showing. And I'm just going to wrap this very simply, and we're gonna bring that across. Now, I want a whole lot of coverage, because today I had a sister say to me that with all the new fashions that going on, we have to also really provide tutorials that are showing full coverage, because a whole lot of the tutorials that are being done, and even including myself, I show tutorials that are for, you know, the younger girls and even for the older folks. A whole lot of times the front is not covered a whole lot. So today this here I'm showing you with this scarf how easy it is to have a full coverage, how easy it is to just make sure that the front hair is covered, because that is the proper way of doing it. And now look at this, the same shawl that we use as a niqab. I've put it together. I've only got one pin here, and even though this one here, you don't even need it because the fabric. And for you sisters, I have a really big recommendation for you. If you're a newcomer and if you're just new to the hijab, or if you don't like the pins, if you're trying to stay away from pins, my advice to you is to get these viscose scarves. The fabric is called viscose, and it's a blend of cotton and polyester, but it is so easy to wrap without pins. And if you have difficulties using the pins here and you can't handle it and it's too tight on your neck, or even if you just don't have the time, or you just more comfortable with it wrapping loose, this is the way to go. Look at this, my dear viewers. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got full coverage. I brought this over here. You can leave it in the back if you want to. You can leave it in the back hanging if you want to have this really nice look. Look at that. If you want to have it hanging, or you can bring it in the front like that and have it sit here, and we still have full coverage. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we have you know, we are wearing the hijab and wearing it in the proper way with full coverage. Well, I hope you like that. Really, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. There's no need for pins here. Like I said, this fabric is just beautiful. You can't have it any nicer. Okay, and even though it's a viscose scarf, it is still absolutely dressy. Like it's beautiful. So for those who needs, like when you wear a chiffon, it's very difficult not to pin it the odd places. You can wear it without pins, but that's taking a chance that maybe it's going to become loose at some point during the day, or it's going to get, you know, you'll need to fix it up. In a case like this, I'm just talking about you beginners, right, or those sisters that are having issues with, you know, pinning it and all that. This is absolutely the most easiest fabric to work with, and it looks gorgeous and it's beautiful, and it's very elegant. It shows pretty nice, and we have completed our requirement because we have got full coverage, and it is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful shawl. And I think you should try it. It was very easy, just a pin here. You just spread it across your chest so that we've got coverage, and you wrap it around. And if you want, you know, there's so much you can do. You can bring it and give yourself some folds. Look at that. See how beautiful that is? If I bring some more, I can actually bring a few more and give it that really nice full. See that? Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's bring that over so you can have some folds. And look at that. My dear viewers, you know, we are hijabis. We wear the hijab. We want to do it properly, respectfully, and with grace. See that? How beautiful that is? Look at the folds, my dear viewers. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And here, if you want to make sure that your pleat stays in place, and you can actually give it just a little tuck there, or you can just leave it. It will not, honestly, the fabric is so beautiful that it will just sit there, and look at how beautiful that is. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And I am done. I hope you enjoy that. I hope you're going to try that. And please tell me that you love it, because I love the look. I think it's absolutely beautiful. If you want to make sure that that stays in place, let's just give it a little, I'm just putting a little stick pin on the first loop so that it stays there, and then you have all the other pleats in place, and it looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My dear viewers, I hope you like that, and if you did, please hit the like button. And I do ask you to please share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this platform, because we've got a lot going on the platform. There's a lot for you to see, a lot for you to help yourselves with. You know, there's so many things there. So please do share it with your friends and family. And you know the drill. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. And do click on the all. Hit the bell icon and click on the all. I thank each and every one of you for being here with me today. Thank you all for your time, your love, and your support. And please continue to be there. We have a lot going on and a lot more to come. Thank you all for being with me. Take care of yourselves. Be happy. Make sure that you enjoy every moment, because every moment counts. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you. Take care. This is 𝗓𝗏 signing off, saying Assalamu Alaikum.